Hi, my name's Robert Long, aka Bobzilla, and today we are going to do some repair grout work, and these are the tools I'll be using. Got my non-sanded grout. I got a tile saw for taking out some of the bad spots, applicator, spatula, sponge for wiping it off, and a bucket of water. So we'll mix this up, and just mix it with water, and you'll mix it to about a frosting consistency. So I'll add water to it. Voila, added water, and it's about yay thick. That way you can get it into on the walls and it won't be running down on you. Okay, so we'll go ahead and slap some of this on the wall and go from there. All right,
Okay.
we're going to do this section in here where the grout has been coming out, and we'll just try to fill in the areas that are really bad. Okay, you can just dab in some grout to my applicator. And just go into it on. After you get this on, you could wait about 5 minutes. It will set up a little bit, and then you could wipe it off to however thick that you want your grout to be. You could leave it to where it's real thick, or thin it down to just a skinny line. Okay, now we're going to clean up our wall after we got our grout in there. We gave it a little bit of time to dry, so when we wipe it off, you're using a damp sponge to wipe it off. If you wipe it off too early, the grout will be too wet and it will just come right back out. So we gave this a little bit of time to set up. So you just take it and just, basically you're just cleaning the wall. And just taking the excess off, and it'll take a few times of doing this. You don't want to try to get it all at one time, otherwise, like I say, you'll just take off the grout that you put in there. So when you're applying your grout, there'll be areas to where, like this tile right here, that they didn't get this flush level. This corner sticks out, so you'll put your grout on there and it will be real thick. And so pretty much all you want to do is just keep wiping it until, you know, it kind of matches the rest of your seams. But when you first put your grout on there, you're going to have a big 1/4 inch wide gap of grout. Okay, we're going to clean up the wall here. So a lot of times people just let this sit overnight so it's real dry, you know, when they wipe it off. But we just gave this a little bit of time to show you all how to do it. So you just take a towel and just clean your wall up. And we're putting grout over top of grout on here. So your lines don't have to be perfect. If you try to make them perfect, you'll probably be here all day long. It's because your tiles, you know, when they lay that grout, some's going to be wider and some's going to be thinner. And so when you lay grout on top of it, you're going to have the same thing. Some of it's going to be a little thicker and thinner. But just clean it up and should be good to go. Well, that's about it for this Maintenance Monday. Stay tuned for more.